G'day, I'm Eric from WaterUps, and today I'm going to show you how to modify the sub-irrigation channel. So now we're going to be joining two sub-irrigation channels side by side. So to do that, first we start with two basic sub-irrigation channel kits. So two starter kits, and as you can see, we've got the two inlets, and they've all been blocked off at either end. So we'll only need one inlet for this. So this will end up being a spare. And we need to remove the threaded end.
These are the things that you'll need for a side-by-side connection of the sub-irrigation channel. We're going to need to cut 3 pieces. We're going to cut 2 at 10 centimeters long or 100 mils. They'll be the pieces that go into the sub-irrigation channel. And then we'll be cutting 1 piece at 45 centimeters long, marking it at 65, and that will be the piece that connects the two channels side by side. Cutting the PVC pipe, I'm just using conduit cutters here because there's less little bits of microplastic going everywhere, but you can use any saw. So this is the configuration to join the two basic channels.
And what will come in the side-by-side kit will be a special type of wedge washer and another nut. And this is our joining piece that we saw us do already. So first thing, we put the nut over first, and then we put our special wedge washer. Slip it down like so. Nut on first. Wedge washer on like so, and then we simply insert this into the threaded end. And now we're joined.
When connecting sub-irrigation channels at a 90-degree angle, ensure the wedge washer goes on after the nut. Basically going through all of the steps that we've done, but instead of putting an extra 90-degree elbow, we are simply coming around the corner from an elbow to a straight. So we're now going to cut down a sub-irrigation channel. So at the moment, they come in a 1.2 metre length. They have 3 sections with a cell in it each. But if this was too long and you only wanted an 800 mil, an 80 centimetre long piece, then we can cut that for you. So first things, we'll take the cells out. And we'll take our nut and our spigot off the back. Now if we turn our cell over, our channel over, we can see here, cut between lines. So I'm going to do that now. This indent there relates to our baffle here. So to make sure we're not cutting through that baffle, these 2 lines, we're going to cut between these 2 lines, making sure that that baffle doesn't get damaged. Now, as you can see, I've turned our sub-irrigation channel into only 2 sections. I'll now take the spigot with the washer and the nut, remembering that the washer always goes over the thread first, and then we pass it through from the inside, tighten that up. And now we have a cut down sub-irrigation channel with 2 bays. Thanks for today, guys. I hope you learned something. And if you want any more information, please visit our website, www.waterups.com.au. Thank you.